So here we have this Weaver magnetic knife block. Now, full disclosure, this is a paid review, but the opinions in this video are my own. Alright, so there's quite a few different knife blocks you can choose from, but this is the 10-inch magnetic knife block. The magnetic block itself is about 10 inches wide by almost 9 inches tall. It's made of acacia wood with a nice smooth finish. Then the stand is stainless steel with a foam pad on the bottom. It weighs about 5 pounds and does a great job displaying knives and making them quick and easy to access. This whole block isn't actually magnetic, there's just a magnetic strip right around this area. You can see what I'm talking about right here. It's somewhere in this area. You can hold any knife on here, assuming it's made of a magnetic metal. They're also really quick and easy to access. You just twist them like this, and then you can easily pull them off. And this knife is actually stuck on here a little too well. I can't twist it off. I actually have to either slide it off the top like that, or use my other hand to hold it still while I twist it off. There is one thing that could have been improved about this knife stand, and that's the base. Since it's so big, if your table isn't perfectly flat, the knife stand might be just a little bit wobbly. A slight improvement would have been putting something like rubber feet in each corner, or just putting foam on each end and not in the center. Anyway, overall, it's a pretty fancy, inexpensive knife block. It's a great way to display a fancy knife collection or just make your knives really easy to access.